In this question, it is given that a triangle is formed by x-axis, y-axis and the line 3x plus 4y equal to 60. Then the number of points P, A, B which lies strictly inside the triangle where A is an interior and B is multiple of A is dash. You have to fill in the blank. First of all, I draw the graph of 3x plus 4y equal to 60. This is 20 and this is 15. Because it is given that for the point P, B is multiple of A as it is given here. And now those points which will lie on this line, first point will have y coordinate 1, second point will have y coordinate 2, because for y equal to 1, 2, 3, all are multiple of 1. And clearly the y coordinate of this point can be obtained from y equal to 60 minus 3x by 4 and putting x equal to 1 in it. That is equal to 50 minus 3 by 4x. Clearly the y coordinate of this point will be 14.25. Therefore we will go up to 114. That is, there are 14 points on this line which satisfy the given condition. And next is the points on the line having x coordinate 2. The first point will be having y coordinate 2. Second point will have y coordinate 4, because only those points on this line are to be taken whose y coordinate is multiple of 2. And the y coordinate of this point can be obtained by putting x equal to 2 in it. For x equal to 2, I will get 15 minus 3 by 2, that is 13.5. Hence we can go up to y coordinate 12. That is, the points having y coordinate 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There will be 6 points. On this line, 14 points were there. On this line, 6 points we have got. That is 14 plus 6 plus. Similarly for 3, actually it is not required to find the y coordinate of the point for x equal to 3, x equal to 2, because it is obvious from here, as the value of x increases by 1, the value of this will be decreasing by 0.75. Therefore, when this was 14.25, automatically this would have been 13.5. This will become 12.75. This point will become y coordinate 12. That is the points of this line. And the points of this line 4, y coordinate will be 12. For 5, y coordinate will be 11.25. It is not difficult to see, because every time y coordinate is decreasing by 0.75. And the number of points on this line will have y coordinate 3, 6, 9 and 12. That is, 4 points will be there. On this line, 4 and 8 will be taken, but because point having y coordinate 12 lies on this line, therefore that will be rejected. On this line, 2 points are there, plus 2. And for 5 and 10 will be taken, plus 2. For 6, the point will be the point having y coordinate 6, that is 1 point will be there. For 7, this point was having y coordinate 10.5, and for this point y coordinate will be 9.75. Therefore, for 7, 1 point will be there. For 8, y coordinate will be 9, and therefore on this line 8 is there, 1 point. For 9, this point has y coordinate 8.25, therefore 9 will go out. Therefore only these are the number of points. That is, there are 31 points.